Dear students, welcome again in my today's session. My today's session is on English first paper, and this session is for class 11 and 12 as well. I have picked this lesson from unit 13 and it's a topic from lesson 1. Before starting my class, I would like to mention an important issue. We are human beings. To live in this world, we all need foods. We all need safe food indeed. If we take contaminated food, we will not live soundly. We will get sick. We can easily understand the importance of safe food in our life. But nowadays, it's a matter of great regret that a section of moneymonger and immoral businessmen pollute this water. They pollute this water unconsciously and consciously for making money. They use highly poisonous chemical in foods and sell it in the market. They don't think about the public health. They don't think about the hazardous effects of these chemicals when they use it in food elements. Yes, students, my today's topic is food adulteration. You will get this topic in unit 13 and lesson 1. At first, I would like to request all of you to go through the whole passage very consciously and seriously for a few times. If you go through the whole passage for a few times, you will find many words which are unknown to you. At first, you have to learn the Bengali meaning of this verse, because without learning the Bengali meaning, you will not understand the main theme of the passage. If you can't catch the meaning or theme of the passage, you will not answer a single question. We have to answer multiple questions from here. We have to answer open-ended questions. We have to make summary. We have to make many other things. That's the reason we have to learn the meaning as well as the theme of the passage very first. I have picked some important words here. As I have some limitations, I cannot pick all the words if I want. My first word is survey. The Bengali meaning is jorib. In English, the meaning is audit or inspection. The antonym of this word is neglect or disregard. My second word is banned. Bengali meaning is nishiddha. In English, the meaning is forbidden or prohibited. The antonym of this word is permitted or allowed. My third word is contaminate. Bengali meaning is dushito kora. The English meaning of this word is pollute or adulterate. Antonym is cleanse or purify. My fourth word is indicate. Indicate means, Bengali means nirdesh kora. In English, the meaning is signify or denote. And antonym is mislead or delude. My last word is procedure. We often mispronounce the word by saying procedure. You have to remember it is not procedure, rather it is procedure. It is procedure. Bengali meaning is karjobidhi, synonym is process or method, and its antonym is inactivity. Students, you will follow this word meaning which are very important. We often get the meaning and synonym and antonym in second paper. You have to learn the meaning at first. You have to learn the synonym and antonym as well to get benefits in next time. Now my turn is questions. You have to answer 5 questions in first paper. I have also picked some 5 important questions here. My first question is, what is the outcome of the recent survey? What was the outcome of the recent survey? If we want to answer it, we have to go to the passage. The outcome of the recent survey, the outcome, look, I'm picking the first part of the answer from the question. The recent survey was that half of the vegetables and more than a quarter of fruits sold in Dhaka city's markets contain unsafe levels of pesticides, and these are consumed on a daily basis. That means half of the fruits and vegetables are contaminated with highly poisonous chemicals. Can you imagine what we are eating? Oh, it's really hazardous for public health. Okay, now my second question is, from which areas did the 15-member team collect samples? From which area? We have to mention the name of these areas. From where the 15-member team collect sample. From the places we get that. The 15-member team collected samples from the capitals Gulshan, Karwan Bazar and Mohakhali markets. Students, we get 3 markets from where 15-member team collected samples. My next question is, what is adulteration? What is adulteration? How can lead chromate be fatal? There are 2 questions. You have to answer both of them. You will get 1 mark for each part. What is adulteration? We have to answer this portion at first. When some hazardous or poisonous chemical is used to keep the fruits or food fresh or long last is called adulteration. How can lead chromate be fatal? How can lead chromate be fatal? Lead chromate be fatal if it is swallowed or inhaled. What is a lead chromate? We have to understand it first. Lead chromate is a chemical which is used mainly to make a fruit item colorful, more colorful. Lead chromate can be fatal if it is swallowed or inhaled. My next question is, what does Dhaka Tribune report say? Dhaka Tribune report says what? We have to find out it from the passages. Dhaka Tribune report says that nearly 40% of 82 samples of milk products, fish, fruits and vegetables contained banned pesticides such as DDT, Ordine, Chlordane and Heptachlor. Around 50% vegetables and 35% fruits were found to be contaminated with unsafe level of pesticides. These are the main things which we find in Dhaka Tribune report. My next and last question, what do you think about businessmen who adulterate foods by poisonous things? It's a question. It's a question which you have to answer from your own thoughts. You will not get the answer in your passes. What do you think? It's your own opinion. I think the businessmen who adulterate foods. I think the businessmen who adulterate foods by poisonous things are very immoral and money monger and dangerous as well. They don't think about public health. They always think about their own profit. They want to make money, and for this reason they totally disregard public health and their life. These are the answer of these 5 questions. You will repeat this question again and again. If you repeat, you will find you expertised. My next item is flowchart. There are 4 boxes. You will get 6 boxes. One will be done for you, and you have to complete the rest 5. My first one is 40% of samples containing banned pesticides.